Let's imagine a situation when WhatsApp messages are lost on your device and you can first restore WhatsApp from Google Drive to Android. However, many users may never make any backup or cannot create or restore WhatsApp from Google Drive service. Well, don't panic, as in this video we'll provide some solutions for you how to retrieve deleted WhatsApp messages on your Android smartphone easily and effortlessly. Let's get started. Google Drive is deemed to be one of the easiest and foolproof ways to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. However, this option only works if your WhatsApp conversations are backed up to your drive. In case if you have used Google Drive before to back up your WhatsApp messages and conversations, just try to follow these steps. Firstly, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp Messenger on your Android device. Secondly, launch WhatsApp and verify your phone number by entering the 6-digit code sent to it via text message. Thirdly, WhatsApp will notify you about all the previous backups that are stored right on your Google Drive cloud. Then find and tap on Restore option to retrieve your WhatsApp backup from Google Drive right to your device. Once the backup is restored, you can read all the previous conversations, including those that were accidentally deleted. The second tip will be suitable for you in case if you don't have any backups at all, so you can use data recovery software tools like DroidKit utility. The application can easily scan Android internal storage and recover deleted WhatsApp chat history. Now let us show you how to do it. Simply follow the link in the description to get the latest version of DroidKit application on your Mac or Windows PC computer. After the installation process of DroidKit is done, launch the application and go to Recover Lost Data menu, where you need to choose WhatsApp recovery option. Next, connect your Android phone to the computer via USB or Type-C cable and head to the Start button to continue. Then follow on the screen instructions to make preparations before scanning and recovering WhatsApp data. Then you can preview all the WhatsApp chats and messages as below, including all the content that you've sent to other users before. On this tab, you can easily check what you need to restore and click to device or to Mac or PC option. Finally, wait a minute and you will see the recovered successfully page below. Afterwards, click on View Files option on your computer or just complete it. In case if you don't want to install an application to retrieve your deleted WhatsApp messages, you can easily do the same via the notification history. For that, go to Settings, Apps and Notification on your Android smartphone, then open Notifications and proceed to Notification History option. Then find and turn on the Notification History toggle. And that's all. Even if the sender deletes their message before, so you can get a chance to read it, you can check out its contents from the Notification History as well. Hope that all the tips were kinda useful. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel, like this review and share it with your friends on the social nets. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Peace.